Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I'm going to show you how to update your email address on DBS mobile banking account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your account. On the other page, this is what the interface is going to look like. So on the home page, tap on more option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, you'll have to scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on update particular. After you tap on it, next you'll have to select the contact detail that you want to change. And as you tap on change, next you'll get to enter a new email address that you want to replace it. Once you're done entering your email address, tap on save, which is right at the bottom. So then on the last interface, review all of your information, and once you're sure about your information, tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can update your email address on DBS mobile banking account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.